Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Ahmed, and this is Iron Fit Fitness Center website. Today I will show you Jarvis, our RAG AI voice assistant that answers only our official knowledge base. No typing needed. Jarvis is live for 24/7 for you and your customers, making any your information instant and honestly pretty wonderful. Let's check now.
Hi, I'm Jarvis from Iron Fit Fitness Center. How may I assist you today?
Okay, Jarvis, tell me who is founder of this Iron Fit Fitness Center?
Please give me a moment while I look up that information for you. Iron Fit Fitness Center was founded by Asad and Sana Mahmood in March 2018. Asad is a former national powerlifting champion with over 15 years of experience in the fitness industry. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, Jarvis, which type services they are provided?
Please give me a moment while I look up that information for you. Iron Fit Fitness Center offers a wide range of services, including personal training, various group fitness classes like HIIT and yoga, and dedicated zones for strength training and cardio. We also provide recovery and wellness facilities, nutrition consultations, and body composition analysis.
Okay, Jarvis, tell me 1 month premium plan. What is the price of this plan?
Please give me a moment while I look up that information for you. The 1 month premium plan at Iron Fit Fitness Center costs 15,000 Pakistani rupees. This plan includes all the features of the basic plan, plus access to group classes and the sauna. Are you still there? Please let me know if you have any more questions or if there's
Yes,
anything else I can assist.
Jarvis, do you have parking and ladies only timing?
Please give me a moment while I look up that information for you. Yes, we offer free covered parking for over 50 vehicles. Additionally, we have women-only training hours on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in a dedicated zone,